Spring repair blocks are intended to be a quick emergency fix that enables a broken spring to be temporarily repaired, thus making the door operational while waiting for a new spring to be installed. Repair blocks are not intended to withstand daily use on a broken spring. Also, before installing a spring repair block, you must make sure to thoroughly check the spring for any additional damage such as cracked cones, wire spun too high or low on the cones, or distortion of the coils. A spring must be in good shape to accept a repair block and function correctly. If there is ever a question or concern with the spring's integrity, always err on the side of caution and immediately replace the broken spring and avoid trying a temporary repair. Never try to install a spring repair block on a broken wire that is close to the stationary or winding cone, as the wire pulled into the block may cause the cone to become loose. Repair blocks come in different sizes according to the wire size. These blocks are color coordinated to the different sizes. Service spring carries part 711, a blue spring repair block for spring sizes between 207 and 306. Part 712, a yellow spring repair block for wire sizes between 312 and 362. And part 713, a red spring repair block for wire sizes between 375 and 430. The repair blocks can be easily installed on a broken spring that is still on the torsion shaft. Using a spring spreader tool, separate the end coil of one of the end of the broken spring. This allows the last coil of the wire to be maneuvered into the repair block. The wire should be fully in the block with minimal wire sticking out, about an 1/8 inch to 1/4 of an inch. Allowing too much wire to be outside each end of the block will shorten the spring and cause a stronger torque in IPPT than necessary. Tighten the set screw for that side of the repair block just as you would for a cone or drum set screw. Use the spring spreader tool again to repeat the process on the other piece of the broken spring. Now that the repair block is installed and both set screws are checked, you can now rewind the spring to make the door operational again. Always remember, safety first, and this repair is intended for emergency use only, and a new spring should be installed as soon as possible.